Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel, ang pinakabagong update natin at achievements sa new song ng SB19 na Visa. Visa is the biggest gainer of daily top songs Philippine chart, up 125 spots at number 58, na may bilang na streams na 184,177 streams. I-paste ko po ang link ng Spotify para matingnan ninyo sa description box below. At syempre sa comment section sa baba. At ito pa ang achievement. Ang Visa pala ay picking number 1, top 1 on iTunes worldwide. Number 1 ha, worldwide in iTunes. At hindi lang sa Pilipinas nag number 1 ang Visa, kundi 5 countries in iTunes. Samantala, narito pa ang ilang achievement at update ng kantang Visa, new song ng SB19. Congratulations! At narito din ang ilang views na ba sa YouTube.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna...
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.